Hello everyone, I'm Surya Varchasvi, research scholar at IIT Bombay, and many of us would have tried to learn guitar at some point of time in life. Even I had my try at learning guitar. You would have seen this. It has six six strings, and then 12 important frets in which all notes can be played. And seeing those notes, it gets pretty complicated without an instructor assisting you to identify the notes when you're playing it for the first time. So in the absence of the instructor, if you want to practice, it gets really difficult. So what we are proposing is a visual assist. A visual assist which would help you to identify the notes, that you have to play, and it's getting even better. We have a dedicated DSP board attached with the guitar which would record the notes that you play and tell you how well you have played. So there you go, you have a virtual teacher instructing you which fret to press, which string to press, and then tell you how you played. Thank you.